Babe, what would you like for breakfast?
Anything?
Hmm?
Anything.
Anything?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm okay.
Alright. Here you go, babe. This is answer. You say you want anything, right? So there you go. Enjoy your breakfast here, babe.
Good one.
I'm tired of you. Every time I ask you what you want for breakfast, anything you want.
Hey guys, it's your girl Theola,
And I'm Andre.
and we are back with another
Active video. Guys, today we're gonna bring you along with us. We're going to the gym.
We're going to the gym. Say what? The gym? The gym.
I'm laughing because Tiola is acting like this is a place that she frequents.
I go to the gym every week.
Tiola has not been to the gym since 2018, guys. 2018. Right? This time around, we're ready.
Yes,
So,
guys. And keep in mind, for all those who is gonna say, Tiola, why you going to the gym? You're so skinny. Why you going to the gym? Remember now, guys, there is other reason why people go to the gym. A lot of persons go to the gym to lose weight, but in my situation, I would like to maintain going to the gym to get thick. I want to be a Tikisha. I want to be a Tiki Anna. And other than that, I would like, in the future, God's willing, to have proper mental health.
anyways, we'll see you guys.
But baby, I know people out there gonna say, why till I'm going to the gym? So I need to make it known that
So
people don't
let this
go
be
to
known,
the-
right? Guys, we're not going to lose weight. We're going to bulk up, as she said. Tiola's gonna be our own
No, you're
Tikiana.
going to the gym to lose this belly.
I have no belly,
And I'm going to the
this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to the gym to release these pending muscles that Tiola has been talking about.
It's your pending muscles for me.
She's always embarrassing me. Said, "Oh, of course my husband goes to the gym. Look at his pending muscles, right?" So
Coming, guys.
they will come eventually. Also, guys, speaking of losing weight, if you want to lose weight or detox, check out this product. It's insane. It's called Tedivina.
Tedivina.
Tedivina Detox Tea. The link will be in the description and somewhere on the screen,
Yeah.
maybe. But
Get rid of those belly fats, those bulges, those gas, those poop that is stored in there for days and years. Good detox,
also helps with menstrual pain and all that.
depression, you name it.
Creams.
Yeah, so the
All
link
right.
is provided down below for more information.
And what is it called?
Tedivina.
All right. Also, our post notification shout out goes out to
Tanya Spencer.
Tanya. We see you. You are.
That's her last name, guys, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe.
Guys,
she's related to
Tiola
Andre.
just said that she has our last name.
What? Yes, Tanya Spencer. That's her name. So I think she's your cousin or something.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a wife that owns her name. This is lovely. I feel so nice. It's like my heart just made up.
4 years later, guys, you would think that we just got married yesterday. But anyways,
Alright.
enough of the talking. Tanya Spencer, we love you. We appreciate you. I love how and I admire how you're riding with us. You're supporting us. You always comment. You always share our video. Girl, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
All right. So I guess we'll see you in the gym.
See you in the gym, guys.
Why I'm recording you? Because you don't even know where the gym is.
I don't know where it is. Where fix my shoes stuff.
So Tiola is like, okay, I'm going to the gym. But where is it, Tiola? Look at that body. She doesn't work out. She's never been here before. She lives here.
He's trying to show me out. He's trying to show me out that I don't go to the gym.
So there you go, guys. Proof that Taylor has never been here before. So this is our gym.
Baby, can I keep this in your pocket?
Sure. Taylor.
I'm putting on my what is it called?
So Taylor's putting on a waist trainer. Let's see how that goes.
Yes, guys, you need to train your waist in the way it should go, so that when you work out, it shall not depart from it.
That's not true!
Okay, so the logics behind that is that besides from losing body fat with the actual waist trainer, when you do curls or certain exercises, your body actually gets broader. So that is to help with those areas. So instead of your body going broad, it becomes more defined. All right, so
Coach, guys, you see how my fitness trainer is sexy? Yeah.
ready.
So guys, yes, Andre went for the camera stand. In the meantime, I thought that I may give you guys a tour of the gym. That is outside. It's snowing, as you can see. It's been snowing a lot. Anyways, so that's a machine. This is a machine. That's some balls. And that's something that you pull against resistance. Yeah. You guys really thought that you were gonna get a good tour of the gym from me? I don't know anything about these things.
Been in my feelings, can't stop thinking about your loving. What am I missing? You trying to waste my time, can I help you with something? Tell me what you want from me, cause I can't breathe. You say you love me, boy, so please don't leave. What do you want from me, cause I can't see. But if you love me, boy, then please.
When I come back, I'm gonna up the resistance so that it feels like I'm climbing a hill.
All right, look at me with determination. Dun, 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 dun. How was that first? How was cardio?
Tired already. A long time not active, you know, Andre?
So that was 5 minutes until already this.
My heart had beat.
Okay. So next step.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
That was tough.
All right. Pause. 5-second break, and then we start again. So people, we've been here for what, 10 minutes? And Taylor's feeling it already.
Burning.
10 minutes.
Yep.
All right, next side, go ahead.
Looks like you're struggling there. Looks like you're struggling there. Yes. You just show off. You're just full of ego. You can say you're struggling, you know.
The family that works out together stays sexy together. Taylor, I like your body.
Alright, there we go.
It's a good thing you started.
It's good for sleep.
You're right, yeah.
If you want to sleep good in the night, you come and work out.
Agreed.
Yeah. Ready again?
Yeah, so this time you're going to do it to the side.
To the side?
Yeah.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Fun fact, guys, when Teal is exercising, her tongue is out her mouth.
Look at him go. Look at him go. Two, three.
A bit deeper. Yeah. Good. Good job. You're actually doing very well. I thought you'd be on your phone.
What?
I thought you'd just be sitting in the corner watching me. So this is pretty good.
Actually, I want to get Takesha.
Someone please send me the link to this person, Takesha. One more. You can do it. I'm gonna get my bum.
Where we get your bum something? But not like the leg day now work with me. We'll get there. Remember the last time?
So that's Teal when she goes to the gym, right? 10 minutes and she already starts to see the results. There's no results.
There is, Andre. It's coming. I see it. I see it. It feels hot. Feel warm.
That sounds like pool. You want to take a shit?
No, guys, like it's coming. I'm getting there.
It's been 15 minutes, guys. I legit gave her basic routines.
No, like, but we can't feel it in this jaw corner. Like, all of it.
So while Teal is in Fantasyland, we're gonna wrap up. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, we forgot something. So before we head out, while Teal is in Fantasyland,
Whenever I say remember to like, guys, remember to comment and subscribe. Hit that red button down below.
somewhere.
That one. You click it. You click it. Okay.
Alright, so see you guys later, alright?
Yeah.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?